Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the Klipsch R-1650-C in-ceiling speaker. If you're looking to upgrade your home audio setup with a discreet yet powerful solution, this in-ceiling speaker might be just what you need. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. The Klipsch R-1650-C delivers exceptional audio quality that you can expect from a brand renowned for its high-performance speakers. With a 6.5-inch polymer-cone woofer and a 1-inch polymer dome tweeter, this speaker provides clear, crisp sound across a wide frequency range. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or enjoying a podcast, the sound is immersive and well-balanced. Design and installation. One of the standout features of the R-1650-C is its sleek, low-profile design. The speaker blends seamlessly into your ceiling, making it ideal for those who want great sound without compromising their room's aesthetics. The paintable aluminum grille allows you to match the speaker to your ceiling color for an even more discreet look. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the mounting system that securely holds the speaker in place. The instructions are clear, and with basic tools, you can have the speaker up and running in no time. This makes it a great option for DIY enthusiasts as well as professional installers. Versatility and usage. The R-1650-C is versatile and can be used in various settings, including home theaters, living rooms, and even commercial spaces. Its wide dispersion design ensures that sound is evenly distributed throughout the room, providing a consistent audio experience no matter where you are. This makes it perfect for multi-room audio setups or as part of a surround sound system. Durability and build quality. Klipsch is known for its durable and well-built products, and the R-1650-C is no exception. The speaker components are made from high-quality materials that ensure long-lasting performance. The polymer woofer and dome tweeter are designed to withstand the rigors of regular use, delivering reliable audio performance for years to come. Value for money. Considering its performance, design, and build quality, the Klipsch R-1650-C offers excellent value for money. It delivers high-end audio performance at a relatively affordable price point, making it accessible for those looking to enhance their home audio experience without breaking the bank. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Klipsch R-1650-C in-ceiling speaker is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to improve their home audio setup with a discreet, high-quality speaker. Its impressive audio performance, sleek design, and ease of installation make it a standout option in the market. Whether you're setting up a home theater or looking to enjoy music throughout your home, this speaker will not disappoint.